We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make roasted sweet potato wedges. Start by cutting a thin piece off one side of the sweet potato to create a flat, stable surface. Then trim off the ends. Next, cut the sweet potato in half. Lay both potato halves on the flat side and cut them into half or into thirds one more time. This will depend on how wide your sweet potato is. If it's larger, like the one in this video, then you'll want to cut it into thirds. Once the wedges are cut, then in a large bowl, combine the oil, spices, herbs, salt, pepper, whatever you would like to use to make it to your taste. Whisk that all together, either with a fork or a whisk or even just your spatula. Then add the sweet potato wedges to the bowl and toss evenly to coat. Using your hands is truly the best and easiest way to do this. Once coated, spread the sweet potatoes on a baking sheet in a single layer, flat side down. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees or until brown and easily pierced with a fork. At this point, you can sprinkle with optional Parmesan cheese or fresh herbs. Check out the recipe in the description. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.